I've been using the DailyPay mobile app for a while now, and this is my honest and unbiased review. So let's dive in and see if it's the right fit for you. One of the main reasons I chose DailyPay was its promise of on-demand access to earned wages. The app allows users to access up to 100% of their earned income before payday, which can be a lifesaver during unexpected financial crunches. Additionally, the app offers flexibility in transferring funds to various accounts, including bank accounts, debit cards, or prepaid cards, catering to diverse user preferences. However, there are some cons to consider. For instance, while DailyPay advertises the ability to access earned wages instantly, some users have reported delays in fund availability, with transfers taking longer than expected. For instance, a user on Reddit mentioned that the app hadn't updated in a month, leading to frustration and a lack of clarity regarding their pay balance. Moreover, customer service experiences appear to be inconsistent, as some users have reported unprofessional interactions and unresolved issues, which can be disheartening when seeking assistance. On top of that, some users on Reddit even recounted experiences where customer service representative was eating during the call and spoke unprofessionally, leading to a negative impression of the support provided. Another aspect worth mentioning is the app's integration with employers. DailyPay is an employer-provided benefit, meaning its availability depends on whether your employer partners with the service. So it's essential to check with your employer about the availability of DailyPay before considering it as an option for accessing earned wages. Overall, my experience with the DailyPay mobile app has been mixed, especially the concept of accessing earned wages on demand is appealing and can provide financial flexibility. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.